Yo, what's going on? What's up? What's up? What's up? Hey, listen, I wanted to talk to you guys real quick before I show the load board. So don't be fast forwarding this video, all right? It's like, nah. Hey, I want to show you guys this. Before anything, subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification button if you guys want, get all the videos on time to your accounts or whatever. And subscribe, give it a like if you can. I really appreciate it. I want to talk about OTR performance. How this tool is one of the best tools to have in your truck. It should be at least top two or top number one. It should be the best tool in your truck, to be honest. Quick example: a buddy of mine last year, he wasn't able to do a forced regen, and he had to call road service up. The good thing is he was at a customer's yard, so they didn't really kill him like that on the price. But they charged him $375 to come out, fix the issues that he was having, which was a clutch switch. It wasn't working, and once they fixed that issue, he was good to go. He would keep on moving. But if he would have had this, he would have did the force regen on himself and figure out why it wasn't working, and then get the issue fixed. You know what I'm saying? And the piece is only like $30, so he could have put it. He could have installed it himself, but it could have saved him. It could have saved him some money. Now, this does delete codes and stuff like that, but just because it's deleted doesn't mean you ain't gotta fix it. Make sure you figure out what code it is, get it fixed, and then if you could do it yourself, get it fixed, and then use this to delete the code, saying you already fixed it or whatever. And the main thing is this is for the force regen, which is awesome, because a lot of trucks sometimes they can't do force regens. I had a 2008 Columbia that I wasn't able to do a force regen, and I had to take it to the shop, and they had to do a force regen for me, which cost me a couple $100. And it wasn't one time; it was more than one time. Now it's $4.99, but It pays. There's nothing. There's nothing. This is a couple of stuff that it does here. It's nothing. It's worth to have with you. Trust me. Good example is that. And so the problem was that on the way back from my load this week, the check engine light came on, which is just this one. The one to the right, that's only because I got the truck turning on, so that disappeared after 15 seconds. But the check engine light came on. I was like, damn, check engine light. I was like, damn, I hate that light, yo. That check engine light and the stop light, I hate them check engine lights. It just drives me crazy. I was like, damn, all right, to see what it is. I tape it in, EEC 61. They say it's the after treatment system. I went to the dealership. I talked to them real quick. They say, yo, when is the last time you changed the air filter? Because the air filter could cause that. Or there's a valve that could cause it too. But if it's the valve, I'm going to have to buy the whole system. That's $400. I was like, all right, how much is the filter? The filter is $142. I was like, shit, let me get that first. It got to get done regardless. You know what I'm saying? So I did the filter first, and this how it looked like. Besides the rocks is there because we threw it on the ground and stuff, but it was black either or, so it was real dirty filter. Easy process. You could do it yourself. Don't pay no mechanic to do it. It might charge you a couple $100. It's so easy. But that was it. You see, you get under the truck. There's a metal cover that goes over this with 4 bolts, size 15 millimeter, and these are for 2012 or 2013 Freightliners to like 2016, I think it is. So there's 4 bolts that goes there, and you remove this black cover, which you need I think 42 millimeter socket, and the filter is right under it, and just pop it back on. Easiest thing to do. So I got that done, and see this, the whole system right there will be $400 for this whole system here, this little whole system there. But so I got that fixed, and I was like, all right, let me delete the code, because if I delete the code and then the light don't come back on, that might have been a problem. So I delete the code using this machine, and if you see right here, it does mention something about the EEC 61. So anyway, I deleted the code. I was like, man, let me delete the code because I think that was the problem. Because I'm going off what the dealership told me. And to see the light come back on, so far I've been driving for like a day and a half, and knock on wood, it's been good. Thanks God. So the only problem that I had was, if you guys can see here, that this is afterwards, and you see the code, it disappeared. I have the ABS light on, and I was like, damn, how the hell the ABS light came on? OTR Performance, these guys are always reply to your emails. So I emailed them, you know, in that nighttime or whatever. But I got the email a couple hours later, and I said, yo, the ABS light is on. Like after I did it, what can it be the problem? He said, yeah, the ABS light will turn off after you start driving. We reset the system and need to relearn as soon as you start driving. I drove 15 miles, it disappeared. I was like, damn, yo, they always on point with their stuff, man. That's why I'm saying it is a good tool to get. These people know their stuff, and it's tax deductible, man. You need money for taxes at the end of the year. Why not get it? But listen, that's all I'm gonna say for now. So enjoy my low board video. Lows are looking okay here and there, but let's see if it goes up anytime soon. But hey, man, thanks a lot, man. Subscribe if you can. Thanks, appreciate it. Talk to you later. Bye bye. Yo, what's going on, guys? What's going on? How everybody doing today? Hopefully, you guys are doing pretty good. As you guys can see from my previous video, I had some truck issues. Knock on wood, it's good as of right now, so that's a good thing. Every time you get a check engine light on or something, that thing kind of get you a little worried. It kind of sucks, but it's a part of the game, and you're just gonna have to get it fixed, and that's it. Nothing you can do about it, but it's just a headache that people don't want to deal with. And then if you guys know from my other stuff, my other videos, was that last year with my other truck, I deal with that thing almost every week, and man, that thing had my blood pressure high. But let's get to the video, man. I appreciate you guys, for watching this. So, first review. I'm doing this today and tomorrow, yo, because I really can't do everybody today. I got a lot of searches to do. I got like over 30 requests, so I'll do a few today, a few tomorrow, and try to do some on Monday or Tuesday or something. But first one is Amarillo, Texas, 150 miles radius, and $2.50 a mile. And I put down dry van and reef. So let's see what we got. Only 7 loads out of there, so that don't look like it's a good area. So there you go, man. Not a lot of loads around the area, brother. And these are all dry van here. There's a reefer here, right there. I was told that the reefer loads are power only. So basically, you just need your tractor and that's it. That's what I was told. So I'm not sure if you need your own reefer trailer, but I mean, maybe for some loads, but that's something that recruiting department should know about more than anything. But I had a driver email me saying that reefer loads are usually power only. So I guess that'd be good, because you get paid 70% if you haul somebody else's trailer. All right, let's get out this search here. Next one is step deck. Okay, New Orleans. Okay, let's go out here. Come on, man. Sorry about that. Right there. Got the fat fingers, man. Step deck. New Orleans. I guess going anywhere. So let's see. Five loads. Oh, look. Somebody's coming to Philly. Yo, what's up? 5 loads, and they are paying okay. They are paying pretty decent. Damn, Philly. Now, this is the same agent posted the same thing 3 times. So either they got 3 different loads or he just want this one load taken care of. But a lot of times it's just one load. He just posted 3 times. But the way you can find out is if you go to details. Oh no, and you see load counts. He got 3 loads. He does got 3 loads, so that's why he posted 3 times. But damn, it's paying pretty good. Really can't beat that. All right, let's see what else we got here. Somebody want to check dry ran out of Washington State. My bad. Uh, let's put down dry ran going south and southeast. Let's go. All right. Then I got dry ran. Wow, 0. What? What up, man? $2.50 a mile, yo. Damn. 0 lows? What the hell? Wow. I'm not doing nothing wrong here. Dry van, okay. Uh, 0 lows in Washington State. Man, let's click on everything. See if everything pop up. Yeah, I guess there's only 0 lows out of there. Damn, that's crazy, yo. We're doing. I mean, 0 lows to south and southeast. Wow, that's crazy. Well, this is the low that's got there, so at least you could look at something. You know what I'm saying? Now that's Alaska stuff, so you know how that goes. Uh, there you go, man. There you go. Again, low and low. These loads, low board was a little bit low this week, and last week was a little bit better, but this week is a little bit low, and hopefully it gets better. Got college going on, back to school and all that stuff. So hopefully there's more freight out there, and that'd be a good thing. That'd be a good thing. All right, listen, that is it for today, man. I'm sorry, guys, but I gotta hit the bed, yo. But let me do one quick last search. Let me try to do this real quick. Let's see what we got. These are like some of the good lows out there. So, of course, Alaska always pays so good, man. But damn, these are everything else here. Check them out. Check them out. Tell me what you guys think. I scrolled down pretty slow for you guys to check it out. There you go. There you go. Okay. Yeah, man. Any other requests, just email me or put it on the comments, and I'll try to get you as best as I can. I had well, previous videos gonna tell you what happened this week, but is there everything, guys? Listen, man. I'll try to do something tomorrow, and don't forget to subscribe, bro, if you can. Ladies, whatever. Please subscribe if you can. I really appreciate that. And you guys have a good day. Thank you.